Today's video is brought to you by AutoDoc. AutoDoc are Europe's leading online retailer for vehicle parts. Head over to their website where you can find a massive supply of car, truck and bike parts. They have bulbs, body panels, steering, suspension, radiators, brakes, bearings and just about anything else you can think of that your car might need. Ordering the exact part for your make and model is as easy as entering your reg into the search bar and finding what you need, and they even have a nice little chat feature if you need assistance. They operate in 26 different countries. They have a mobile app with exclusive discounts to make ordering things on the go as easy as possible. And once you've done that, head over to their YouTube channel where they've got a huge library of videos to help fit your shiny new parts. Check out what they have to offer using the link in the video description. Still red. Way! Say way!
Way!
Somebody's broken their shit. Can you smell that?
Yeah, I was wondering what that was.
That is broken tires and brakes. Oh dear. He's lost the wheel.
Get him on his phone.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Sorry, he's cackling away next to me. Sorry. Somebody turned. No, but somebody was in the car and instead of actually going on the road, he just turned the corner and went on the path and on the curb instead. Sorry about that.
Boosh! Boosh! Get on that fucking curb. And that's how you drive for UK mail. I too live in Bristol. My pet hate is people who can't navigate a car park. Do me a favour, go to your nearest one and sit for 5 minutes and show us what you capture. Much love, Benji.
Odd request, but okay.
What on earth is going on? That's one way to learn to drive a bus, isn't it? Wow.
That just makes no fucking sense.
What did he do that for?
Because
Did he just take up 2 lanes then?
Yep.
Well, it's only driving for you though, isn't it?
Hey Benji, how intelligent are cyclists in Bristol? Can you say speed it?
No, can you?
I'm not going to speed up, no. I'll get caught by the police and they'll take us to jail and feed us bacon. You might as well stay there. You got the bus lane fine now.
Where is it, Daddy?
He's just got a bus lane fine because he's an idiot, Maisie Mill. Yeah, because that seems fucking legal, don't you? Have your child hang. There's another one. Wow, you're welcome. Good parenting.
Like a crab. And you need to try to
Ugh.
Ugh.
Surely that's not healthy.
No. Good parking. Yeah, good parking. And good parking. Good parking.
You got roundabout. You turn right, and you got the Sainsbury's, and you got the Fabric Plus thing, right? Get off the phone, twat.
Gonna go, 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 go. There we go. Hey. It seems like we've got a day of special people. I think it might be one of those days. I think it is, yes. Yeah, this is a day of special people where they just park and block everything up. Wow, what a knobhead, what a knobhead. Fucking cyclists!
So here's an example of when the learner car can get it right, but the qualified driver decides not to wait. They disregard indication coming from us, force traffic in the oncoming lane to slow down and move out of her way. And then because she didn't get her own way, she shows us the hands of protest. And after all that, is still stuck behind the learner car. Clap clap.
I don't think you'll be able to sleep at Bob Bob's house, sweetheart. Oh, he's not going to let you in.
Not much of a choice, not bad. Wow.
You can see the arrows in front.
You can see me
It's
as
got a
well.
bird.
Fucking idiot.
No, we can't see you at all.
Oh, why?
You're camouflaged.
Oh, okay.
You're blended in with the road and the
Exactly.
grass.
Yeah, that's
and
right. It makes sense if I was
everything.
fucking beige or green, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's texting.
Is he?
Yeah.
Do you reckon he's going to go next to you and give you proper daggers? Oh no, he's going to be going to jail.
He's still texting.
Is he still texting?
He hasn't stopped texting that entire road.
No.
Huh?
I can't
You
see.
can't see no phone? I will just look in a minute. As soon as he starts driving, he picks it up. He don't text when he's stopped like a normal person would do. He waits till he's driving, he'll pick it up. Just wait, just wait. There you go, look, he's got it out again. Oh, he just put it down. Just watch him. Just
Oh, dude!
watch it. As soon as we pull away and drive, he starts to get his phone out. That's weird, man.
Oh, look at the little hand glove thing in the window.
My son and Daddy.
straight.